Assistant Secretary Joey Villarama, spokesperson of Task Force El Nino, said that the heat caused by El Nino may last until the month of May. At the same time, there's a growing concern regarding the potential issues with water and energy supply if public consumption continues to escalate.
Nagbigay ng analogy yung isang kasamahan natin sa pag-asa. So, ang na-experience natin ngayon is strong and mature El Nino. So, ito yung pinaka matindi na level. So, wala siyang quantitative measure kung in terms of temperature kasi 'di ba range yung binibigay nila. Pero ang sinasabi nila is yun nga may mananalasa sa mga pananim, iinit yung temperatura, bababa yung water levels sa mga dam obviously dahil mag-evaporate.
Now that we are experiencing the effects of the El Nino phenomenon, Villarama assured the public that there's no shortage in the supply.
Wala pa ring nakikitang problema ang Department of Agriculture. As of February 13 na nag-report si Secretary Laurel mismo kay Pangulong Marcos sa isang sectoral meeting.
This time is what they call dry harvest season, in which previously planted grains are being harvested, so rice is still expected. DA also ensured that there is an adequate supply of basic products such as chicken, pork, corn, and sugar. Currently, they said there is an oversupply of eggs in the country. As for water supply, ASEC Villarama said there is enough storage in the dams and there is no need to reduce the allocation to customers. Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.